High drama erupted in the town of Spalding after gunmen and police officers traded bullets in an alleged robbery attempt. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A policeman was shot and injured in an alleged shootout with gunmen in Spalding, Clarendon on Sunday. Meanwhile, the gunmen who barricaded themselves inside the Dragon Bay supermarket in the town square has since handed themselves over to the police officers. The Jamaica Defense Force and the Jamaica Fire Brigade have been called in by the police in order to assist in removing the suspects, some of whom are believed to be injured. Reports are that shortly after 2 p.m., the police responded to an armed robbery at a supermarket in the town when they were attacked by a gunman armed with high-powered weapons. A shootout ensued between the police. An AK-47 has been reportedly seized by the police along with other firearms. A video of the gunmen handing themselves over to the police have been circulating on social media.
Oh, sorry, no, but you don't know what I'm fuck it down, better life for one, you know? Better life for one. Everybody got sit today, so. Alright. Call it me again. You don't know what three things that way. Just get accepted for things that we don't have by the natural level.
You said this week you were convinced your team would get to this point where they are standing at the top of the table, perhaps not this quickly. They're showing no signs of slowing down though, are they?
He's a top down, Officer. Anna. People, Anna. Okay, right, looking forward. Right, fool.
You say that there's going to be more time before you
Please, I live with the fun. Please, I live with the fun. Please, officer, do your big. Please, do. See, and do. Please, officer. Please, officer. Please, do. Please. No, please.
Father God.
No, officer, we're not going, officer, man.
We're not going, officer. My brother, we are soldier and police, officer. Please, we are good. Officer, that's a big fucking mistake.
We get accepted for the college.
Why is it? Officer, please.
I'm married, officer, please.
We're not, man.
Officer, we are not fools.
Please, officer.
everything is
Please, we are begging, officer.
Please, officer.
Oh, God, man. Please, we are begging, officer. Do. Officer, we can change an officer, please. Please, we are begging. Please, officer, do. No, I don't think so. No, if you are going, officer, after we see what we're going to do, officer, we're not fooling, officer. I think when we get accepted for an officer, please, we are begging, officer. Please, officer. I think when we get accepted for an officer, we can change my life in officer. To me, I have a choice in officer. Officer, I don't believe in officer. We are a fool in officer. You think we have a child in the folly, officer? Oh, God, officer, man. Oh, God, man. Man, say a big fool life, man. Please, we are begging you, officer. Please, officer. We can change, officer. I tell you, I think when we go, officer. I swear to God, officer. File me for the officer. We don't have the money, officer. I swear, officer.
What do you say come through?
Officer.
Shut up, boy. Fuck up. Oh, me love it, yeah? Love it. Oh, God, I love it. Auntie, sister, angel.
Officer, you can't win, officer. No. Officer, can't win, please.
I can't win, man. Please, officer. Please, officer.
Officer.
Give me that.
No, no, the phone.
Well,
Man, they put out there and thing, you know, my this can't go up, you know. So look. You see me?
Yeah, watch it now.
I watch you know.
Yeah, put it on back before. Hold on. Look at that. Watch out. Sorry, put up on.
Where next man get shot? Yeah. Arm right there, sir.
sure, man.
You get, see
Officer, look at that.
yes, sir, digger.
Officer, look at that. Officer. I hit this now.
See me?
Officer.
Yeah, my daughter for the
What are we have that, officer?
Watch you know.
Officer, look at that. Officer, look at that.
Go up, fire.
Hold on, I'm going to put the door.
Sit down, man.
Eh?
Man, say, sit down, dog. Tap the eyes, man.
Yeah, sit down, go look on my arm, yeah?
Take time, man. Sit down. Take time, man. Sit down.
Yes, sir. See me, sir. Look at that, sir.
Try your best. Try your best. Sit down.
Alright, man, they for me.
It was wonderful.
I'm saying, my man, we know, see, I don't give a
You're saying so confident, but you're
Officer.
I don't tonight. Like,
what officer knows we're not nothing, officer? Clean, officer. Sorry, officer.
if I had to pick somebody for knockouts, I would have to say
Father, we are pulling down here.
Officer, I'm telling you, life, you know.
See you for your kid mistake.
I'm not going, you know.
13 and my daughter birthday here. And that's why I do this. Please.
Officer, I'm not work, officer. Do me a big officer.
So, me just ask if you're lenient here.
He literally was like knocked out.
You want to put it on the
I love watching you, bro. You remind me of Ariana. She's petite.
Oh, they say really a murder way.
Officer, we're not armed enough to call it.
Keep people away. So I'm really proud of you, bud.
Officer, just do. That's what I'm going to do, man. Just, man.
Who is the winner of this knockout?
Fine.
The winner of this knockout.
I'm fine, watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Right here, my place.
Yo.
I picked Soprano because
We can't say that.
he's unique. Reminds me of a mix between Bruno Mars and Michael Jackson.
I'm so proud to be on your team.
No, my father, watch out, man. I'm telling my father, watch out. I just have to make this man. So I think we
Coach is on your mind that Jeremy is available to steal.
Eh?
Jeremy,
no, man, we're not take the police for
I
one.
would never imagine
Yes.
that I'd be standing in front of you, one of the most talented people I've ever met. I'm just so grateful. Give it up one more time.
I'm sorry. I think I'm on.
If no one bangs that button, you think they're not
I'm sorry, man. Yeah? But I'm sorry, I'm sure about the
I use my skill in Jeremy because I've seen something I can help him with. I'm looking forward to finding the best record
I'm skeptical to come my door again now.
to where you can have a big moment, subtle moments, certain tender stuff that can really be nice. When it comes to the playoffs, Team Swift really got me on the edge of my seat. I was emotionally connected to the ball team because I these artists that I love with it. And just seeing them take those steps and becoming the best. Has been brutal. From 5 to only 2. When everyone is so resilient.
Yeah, my defense test. So my pull it door.
different. I'm mad at the point like, yo, you even have people disappointed. Brother, swords and everything to you. I need a sorry now.
Thank you guys. I used to look at people that were 34 and be like, they're so old, and now I'm 32 and I can't believe it.
Yo, buddy. Yo, what up? What up?
Please, I'm pulling man. That's cool. I'm thinking they're right there, sir. Yo, man is.
Yo, no, but no.
We ain't the thing that I think for us.
Squad, see, go on them, I do.
No, you good, man. It's a Henry that we're at the school and that.
It's a Henry.
It's a Henry that dog.
It's a Henry. It's a Henry. Please, watch out. I hope you. So what you want to do now? What I know
you're doing that in your line. And you know, they're playing in the you know, something's going on. You can't steal these players.
Yo,
You can't just go, oh, they're putting these players so
Fire, we can't go and say please like our defense. Right, listen, just don't want to chat. I'm sorry.
these things that players do, I think Coral did something similar.
I take them and put it. You take them and put it. Make him do it. Officer, all we can get the guys. Officer, you are guaranteed, please. Alright, I say I'm able to see my dad. Just do it live.
We associate Arsenal doing winning titles in the past with Arsenal. They've done a long time right now. For the last 5-6 years.
That is a must. Look at that. Alright, you hear me? I want them to count with it. That is a must.
Officer, please, me are begging you, officer. Please. Please, officer. Me can change, officer. Me tell you, 10 pen me for go, officer. I swear to God, officer. Pilot me for the officer. Me not have the money, officer. I swear, officer.
What is him come through?
So no, officer.
You shut up, boy. Fuck up. Oh, me love it, yeah. Love it.
Oh, damn, I love it.
Officer, wait now, officer.
Officer, please. Officer, hold on.
Come here. Try to get to them, man. Try to get to them, man.
Come out now, officer. Hold on. Officer, come out and do it. Do not kill them.
Let me then kill you.
Let's slide over there.
Boy, they now.
Pull the door, officer. Yo.
Oh, dear God.
Yo. I cook that before the state.
Let me hear that. I'm going easy. Disappointed to the youth. Killer. Shut up, youth.
Keisha. Yo, don't pull the door, man.
Shut up, dog. Please, God, beg you, friend get shot, dog. Friend get shot. Friend get shot, dog.
Yo, watch out, I'm a killer. Serious matter going right now. Everybody pump here. Watch out, Maddie size. Angel. Shave page. Watch out. Yo, my dog. Officer, with alive. I want to surrender. Bumbo clock, me killer. Shut up. So killer, me dog. Hold on, me and lick out in that, me bone. Oh. Can't even control it. See it, I'll show you a cut, me killer. Turn around. See it, dog. All I think, dog. That's boy thing, dog. Shape life. Officer. Squaddy. What a win, man.
Can't go this way. Yes, sir. This place is pretty done.
Yeah, bro. And anytime you see grab one, then we go on the camera, so no you see. Anytime they can't, then pull the gate and go in. Spalding, bro. Spalding, Clarendon. Soon got near, man. Soon got near. Is me I say? I know about 3 hours this about 3 hours this at Mago. 3 or 4.
It's not immediately clear up to the publication of this report whether or not any of the workers were harmed, as a cordon still remained in place as the police commenced their investigation. A large crowd is now on the scene of the shooting incident in Spalding as police asked members of the public to use alternative route. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.